Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our social class standard 3rd. In previous class we had already discussing about this lesson, means of communication. In this class we have to discussing about communications of mobile phone and newspaper, radio, television. Okay. Now let us discuss about mobile phones. Unlike regular phones which are connected by the network cables, so they cannot carry any weight. But mobile phones are connected by the radio signals. What? Radio signals. So they can carry everywhere, and all the services and utilities of networks are available in the mobile phones and smartphones. And we can easy to type messages, audios, pictures, send through SMS and MMS. We can easy to type messages, audios, pictures, send messages through SMS and MMS. Okay, these are the communication of the mobile phones. Next communication is television. In modern days, television has become a popular means of communication as well as recreation. And television provides entertainment programs, and they can provide educational programs and news bulletins. Televisions are send messages to a large number of people at the same time. So, this is the communication of television. Next communication is radio. In rural areas, radios are very common. Radios are very common. In towns, cities, they cannot use radios. They can use mobile phones, smartphones only and watch television. But in rural areas, rural means what? Village areas, there is a radios are very common. And messages broadcast from the radio station reach people immediately. Broadcast means what? Transmit. From the radio station reach people immediately. And also benefited by the information. What is the information? Radios are give the information about agriculture and weather forecast. Weather information given through the radio. We can also listen to the songs on the radio. Right? Cultural programs also over the radio. Next, newspaper. If we want to send messages, a large number of people at the same time. These news they can spread messages throughout the country and abroad in 24 hours. And we should cultivate the habit of the reading the newspaper every day. So that will we come to know what is happening around us. And the newspaper is very important means of communication. They can give the messages, they can give the more information for us. We are reading educational test papers and jokes and educational informations, and we receive the newspaper. Next topic is other means of communications. What are the? Fax or email. Fax or email are other means of communication. Fax man or fax machine send messages of documents and pictures from one place to another. Fax mailer, fax, smile, or fax machines. They can send messages of documents and pictures from one place to another. Next, email. Email or electronic mail. Send messages through the computer. These are the other means of communication. Thus we have several advanced means of communications. Okay. Today homework is this 4 question and answers. Write 2 times in your rough note. Okay. Third bit is answer the following questions. Look at the first one. First question. What is meant by communication? What is meant by communication? Answer is communication is the way we make our ideas known to other people by speech, writing, gestures. And second one, what is the purpose of the means of communication? Answer is the purpose of the means of communication is to send and receive messages. Next, third question, what are the most common means of communication in our country? What are the most common means of communications? Post, radio, newspaper and telephone are the most common means of communication in our country. Fourth question, how does the post office help us to send messages? Answer is we use postcards, inlands or envelopes for writing messages. Then we post them in a post box. These letters are transported to different parts of the country and abroad. These 4 question answers write 2 times. Homework. Two times. Okay. Thank you, students.